Hola amigos! Today I'm gonna be making Peru's most famous sandwich, pan con chicharron. It's a Peruvian pork roll with tender and crispy pork belly, fried sweet potato, a crisp salsa criolla, and a creamy yellow chili mayo. This sandwich is traditionally eaten for breakfast, but I love to have it any time of day. So, let's get started. I'm going to start by making the pork or chicharron. How fun is that to say? Chicharron. What makes chicharron so unique is the combination of braising and then frying, which creates an incredibly tender piece of pork with a wonderful crispy skin. You would usually brine, then braise the pork for hours until nice and tender, and then let it fry in its own fat until crispy. My friends at Crock-Pot sent me their latest multi-cooker. I'm gonna be using it today to speed up the process. I've got a lovely piece of pork belly here. I'm gonna be cutting it in 2 pieces. I'm going to add the water, peppercorns, some cumin, a bay leaf, and lots of salt. Place the pork belly skin side up in the liquid. And lastly, add a few sprigs of mint. I'll be using the pressure cooker setting for a tender result in 35 minutes. Okay, while the Crock-Pot is working its magic, let's work on a few other things that go into this roll. We've got some sweet potato we need to fry. We have to make a yellow chili mayo to slather all over the roll, and our salsa criolla. For our salsa criolla, place the thinly julienned onion in some ice-cold water for 5 minutes. Drain the water, and now we're going to add our lime juice, olive oil, some chili, and I'm going to be using mint instead of the usual coriander because it goes so well with the pork. Finish with some salt and pepper and give it a nice mix. For our yellow chili mayo, simply add some yellow chili paste to taste to some homemade mayo. The last thing that goes into the sandwich is some fried sweet potato. Thickly slice the peeled sweet potato to about 1 centimeter thickness. We're gonna fry it for around 4 minutes on each side. Once it's nice and golden, drain it in some paper towel. Okay, we've got all our elements ready to go and our pork is ready. I'm going to release the pressure and wait until all the pressure is gone. The great thing about this pressure cooker is it won't let you open the lid until all the pressure has been released. It's a great safety measure. Remove the pork and discard all the liquid using some oven mitts because the bowl is going to be really hot. Now it's time to get that pork nice and crispy. You usually fry it with some lard, but vegetable oil will do just fine. Place your pork skin side down and add some vegetable oil. We're gonna let it fry until nice and crispy for around 15 minutes. Then we're gonna fry on all sides for around 5 minutes. It will splatter quite a bit, so cover your pot just in case. Now it's time to slice it into thick pieces and salt it. Oh, look at that crackle. Okay, we're ready to serve. I've got my delicious pork. I've got my fried sweet potato, my salsa criolla, and my yellow chili mayo. And also, I found a bread that looks exactly like the bread we use back home, which is pan francés, means French bread. It's literally the same. I'm so excited I found it. I found it at Kohl's. Place a generous spoonful of yellow chili mayo on both sides of the bread roll. Place the sweet potato, top with lots of pork, and finish it off with our salsa criolla. That pork is so succulent, but it's got that crunchy crackle. And we achieved all of that in under an hour. That's unbelievable. That combo of sweet, salty, tangy, creamy. No wonder why this is Peru's favorite sandwich. This is what you need to make to add that Peruvian touch to your next Sunday brunch. Thanks so much for watching. See you all next week. Adios, amigos.